Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to discuss about plasma physics and controlled fusion by Francis F. Chen, Volume 1, Plasma Physics, 2nd edition, Springer. We are going to discuss about Chapter 5, Diffusion and Resistivity. And my topic is solution of the diffusion equation. When we are going to discuss about solution of diffusion equation, the first point is, from our topic we know very well diffusion is remain not constant. For this purpose I have equation of diffusion is n viscosity perpendicular sum of all k t over b square, which becomes equals to n a. From this I got my equation of a, which is n viscosity perpendicular to sum of kt over b square. From this equation I got the result that kt and b both are uniform in this case, and my viscosity depends on n, which is density. Now if we say that time of ion equals to time of electron, in this case I would like to say that my equation of diffusion becomes 2na, because from our first formula, first equation 1, you can see I have sum of time, and in plasma we are discussing about two things, ions and electrons. And in this case, in my second case, I said that my time of electron and my time of ion is equal. When both times are equal, then it becomes T plus T, which becomes 2T, and my equation of diffusion becomes 2dn 2na. Now equation of continuity is partial n over partial t plus delta dot minus diffusion delta n equals to 0, which become partial n over partial t equals to delta dot d perpendicular delta n. And now I am going to use my equation number 2, and my equation of continuity become equation 2, my equation of continuity becomes partial n over partial t delta dot, instead of diffusion I am going to write 2na delta n. By taking this a outside from the bracket, I can write it as 2n delta n. Now my equation becomes delta dot a delta n square. As you can see that differential of n square is power less the inner thing derivative, which is 2n delta n, and I can write it as a delta square n square. From my equation, from my above equation, I conclude the result that this equation, the solution of equation is non-linear of n density. I hope you understand this topic. I will see you again. Thank you.